subscribe this channel, hit the like button and press the bell icon. Thank you guys.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. So, very good evening to everyone, guys. Let me tell you that it's Monday, and as per our program, we have to go for a speaking
Yes, sir.
program today. And
Yes, sir.
as
Yes,
far
sir.
as speaking program is concerned, it is fake storytelling. Topics have already been given to you.
Good evening, sir.
Yes.
Good evening. So you the guys can. However, I'm just going to show you the topics, and after that, you the guys can start. I cannot record this video for 1 hour. However, I will try to record the video for 10 to 15 minutes. So whoever would like to start first can
Yes, sir.
tell me his or her.
Sir, Ajaz Singh. Me, sir. Me, sir.
Very good.
Ajaz Singh.
So guys, are you able to see the topics right here?
Yes, sir. Topic
Yes,
number
sir.
5, sir. मैं बोलूँगा.
Okay. So fake storytelling.
स्टॉकिंग का मतलब क्या होता है?
Yes, sir.
स्टॉक का मतलब
Stalking.
पीछा करना. स्टॉक का मतलब पीछा करना.
अच्छा, ओके सर.
So Azad
Okay.
Azad is going to start first, and the topic he has
Yes,
chosen
sir.
is a boy was crying near my house then. It has to be quite fake.
Yes, sir.
Time
Start करो, sir.
time limitation is minimum 2 minutes. Maximum
Yes,
you
sir.
can go for 5 minutes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
wait a minute. Let me stop sharing and let me write your name. When I press the
Ajaz Singh.
stopwatch button, you have to start. Okay, let me write your name. Your name is Azad. Okay, Azad, ready?
Yes.
So
Yes, sir.
3, 2, 1, action.
Yes, sir. Yesterday, when I was walking on my balcony, then suddenly I saw a boy crying, and I went to him and asked, "Dear younger, do you have any problem?" Then he told me that, "Big brother, my mother is very serious, and my father is not here. And doctor told me that uh, it that you need to pay me. That I will. Then I will start treatment for your mother." It didn't take me long to understand his problem. I went to my room and I took 2,000 rupees and given to him. My my bhavi hearing all this, and she also came with 3,000 rupees, and then now he had total 5,000 rupees, and he went with that money and never came back. I never came back again, but I was satisfied with my humanity. Sir, it's my story.
Superb, Azad, mind blowing. Clap for
Thank you,
Azad,
sir.
bhai. Clap for Azad.
Thank you, sir.
Lovely. It shows that you are good at English. Your all the sentences were absolutely correct,
Sir.
except one word. You said given to him instead of given. You should have said gave to him.
Yes, sir.
You just said given.
Yes, sir. गेव लिखा था सर. Yes, sir. गेव ही बोलता मैं सर.
Fine.
सर, ये आपकी कृपा है सर. Thank you, sir.
Very nice, very nice. Okay. Now, guys, I'm telling you, since the topics had already been given to you, and most of you have already prepared, written on your notebook, but gradually, what you have to do is, like when topic is given to you, you don't have to prepare. Just on the spot, you have to create a fake story. Gradually, I'm not asking you to do right now. If you are able to create any fake story on the spot when a topic is given, then you can call yourself that yes, I'm good at English. Got it?
सर, सर मैं एक बात बताऊं सर. मैंने तुरंत ही क्रिएट किया सर. ये पहले से नहीं किया. बस कहानी मैंने बनाया था पहले, लेकिन किया क्रिएट अभी.
It means sentences are absolutely correct. No problem, Azad. Well done.
Yes,
So
sir.
I give him.
सर पहले मैं आपको लिस्ट करना चाहूंगा एक बार.
So I give him good marks. See, the only problem was given. You said, and you are saying that you have written gave.
Yes.
By
yes.
mistake, you said given. So you get
Yes.
10 out of 10. There is no
Yes, sir.
problem. You get 10 out of 10.
Thank you, sir.
So nice.
एक बार आप दिख जाइए थोड़ा सा.
Actually, I have not
मैं
turned on
आपका
my
दर्शन
camera
करूं
and
जरा.
I have not fixed the camera right here. So it is impossible to
Yes,
show
sir.
my face today.
Okay,
unfortunately.
sir. Thank you.
It's okay. So
Yes, sir.
now, guys, second person, anyone who would like to try now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fair enough. What
Sir, my number was 13.
your okay? Let me see the topic. 13 number, and let me show you as well. Okay, so she is gonna speak about this topic. Yesterday, one of my friends invited me. Arre, don't cough like this, buddy. Just turn off the audio and start coughing. What is going on? So, yesterday, one of my friends invited me to her home for dinner. Okay. So, your friend invited you for dinner. This is the topic. So,
Yes, sir.
3, 2, 1, and here we go. Action.
Hello guys, my name is Simran Kaur. Today I am going to share all of you with a fake story. And yesterday I was at the home and I was operating my laptop, and suddenly my phone started ringing, and then I saw my friend was calling me, and then I picked the call, and my friend said to me, what are you doing right now? And then I said to her, I am doing work. I am doing some important work. And then my friend said to me, I didn't to meet you in a long time. So what are you doing? Are you free in the evening time? Then I said to my friend, yes, I am free in the evening time. Then she said to me, I want to invite you and your family at my home for the dinner. So you will come with your family at my place. Then I said to my friend, definitely I will come. Then I disconnected the call, and I again started doing my work. And then after some time I saw the time, and it was at 7 o'clock p.m. Then I thought, oh my god, I was getting late for the dinner. Then I went into the washroom, and then I took a bath, and then I started gearing up. And after some time I was ready, and then I took my key, then I took a key of my car, and then I started driving a car. After some time later I reached my friend's house. Then I knocked the door, and then my friend opened the door, and then I went inside the room, inside her home, and I sat on the couch. And then my friend gave me a glass of water. Then I drink water. And after that her husband came over there and sat on the couch. And he asked me, why didn't you come to take your husband and your kid for with you? Then I said to him, my husband had gone to out of station for office meeting, and my daughter was not well. That's why I didn't to her I didn't to come her to with me. Then my friend asked me, would you like tea or coffee, Simran? Then I said to her, please don't need to any formalities, because I am feeling hungry. So first of all I will have to I will having dinner. Then my friend went into the kitchen and started serving the food. After some time we started having food. When I was having food, then I saw the spoon fell down in his hand. Then I saw her husband started deteriorating her health. And and he was shivering. And then I got surprised. I got shocked. I couldn't understand what to do. And then I wanted to mitigate to his pain, but I couldn't understand what do I. And then my friend started crying. And then we both be both mustard herself and I didn't know about a mass that and then be carried her, to her and sat into the car, and then I started driving a car. Then we went towards the hospital, and then after some time later we reached at the hospital, and then we admitted to him into the hospital, and then doctor came here over there, and he asked us what happened. Then I said to the doctor, I blamed everything about that incident to the doctor, and then doctor came away from there. Then we started waiting outside the emergency room, and then after 1 hours the doctor came again over there, and he said to us his health started recuperating, and he's out of a dangerous zone. And then seeing this news, we got relaxed, and then the doctor came away from there. Then suddenly my phone started ringing, then I saw my mother-in-law was calling me, and I picked the call, and then my mother-in-law said to me, where are you, why didn't you come back from there at home? Then I said, then I blabbed everything to my mother-in-law, that incident. Then my mother-in-law said to me, your daughter is crying. Then I said to my mother-in-law, I am coming. Then I disconnected the call, and I went towards my friend, and then I said to my friend, I will have to go to home because my daughter was crying. Sorry, my daughter is crying. If you need to any types helps, so you can call me. Then I went towards my home, and I reached my home, and I knocking my door, and my mother-in-law opened the door. Then I went inside the room, inside the home. Then I saw my daughter had already slept. Then I went into the washroom, and took off my clothes, and I wear night suit, and I washed my face. Then I came inside bedroom, and I sat on the bed, and I took my phone, and I called my friend. My friend picked my call, and I asked my friend, is everything fine there? Then she said to me, yes, everything is fine here. And I said to her, I will come tomorrow early in the morning to you. So if you need any time, so you call any times. Then I disconnected the call because I got tired, so that's why I slept. That's all.
Oh my God.
बाप रे बहुत बड़ा था यार.
Oh God.
बहुत मेहनत लगा होगा सर इसमें.
Amazing, amazing. Mind blowing. Simran, great. What a speed and so many new words and amazing lead. It
Thank you,
was
sir.
fine.
Speed ठीक थी ना, sir?
Yeah, speed was fabulous. Sentences were correct. Few sentences were wrong. I'll let you know. But words meaning like deteriorate, recuperate, gear up, blab. My God, mitigate, and you
Yes, sir.
used past perfect also.
Gearing up.
My daughter had
Yes, sir.
slept on something. Means
Yes, sir.
whatever you have learned, you have used everything. Great.
Thank you.
That's the spirit. Now, if I talk about the mistakes, so there are
The
few
loss of.
mistakes I can let you know. Like you said, at the home, no need to say the.
No, yeah.
Suddenly you said starting, it should have been started. So maybe it was
Started, yeah.
slip of tongue. Okay, you said
Mhm.
friend was call me. It should have been friend called me or friend was calling me. I
Calling, yeah.
didn't to meet you long time. It should have been I haven't met you for a long time. You know. So
Yeah.
some minor mistakes. You said I drink water. It should have been I drank water. You said after some time later. So you
Okay.
cannot say after and later together. If you're saying after, they don't say later. After, later, both have the same meaning. You should have said after some time, or you can say sometime later, but you said after sometime later. So this phrase is wrong. Okay, you said gone.
Sometime later.
Yeah, sometime later. You said gone to out of station. So don't say gone to out of station. Say he had gone out of station. Don't say to. So extra two was there.
Okay. He had
I mean, just minor mistake. Extra
is
two, extra. Sometimes the is there. Sometimes at is there. Like it's minor mistake. Okay, so
Can
lovely.
I start, sir?
Yes, yes, you must start.
Sir, I
Yes,
can
sir.
start, sir.
Anand, sir.
Okay, so okay, this is
Base,
the
base
last
number.
person. After that, video recording will be turned off. Okay. So, Anand, which topic?
Base number, sir.
At
ट्राई
least
करता हूँ थोड़ा.
today, each of you is supposed to speak in English only. Why am I not speaking in Hindi? Think. Just
Okay, sir.
because it
Okay.
is speaking program today, dear.
Okay,
So
okay, okay.
don't say this number.
Okay,
say,
sir.
say number 20. Okay. So last month I saw my
Starting
friend
means
stalking a
पीछा
girl.
करना.
Yeah, stalking girl. Means you
Yes, sir.
saw
पीछा
your
करना.
friend was stalking a girl. Yes, yes. Your best friend or whoever was there, your friend was just following a girl. So this is your story.
Yeah.
Okay? Go ahead.
Oh, yes, sir.
Action.
So last month I went to the park and I saw my friend was stalking a girl. I I went to my friend and I said, "Who was that girl?" My friend said to me, that girl, see, that girl was my love, and I love her more than enough, and and uh, I love her more than enough. Mm, I said, you know, you know, she will destroy you. You know very well. A woman, a woman destroy the Lanka. So, so
Super.
you you leave that girl. So, so, but she said to me, mm, she said to me, "Chal hat," and I love her. I love her to the moon and back, and and I will marry her, and damn the consequences. And I felt sad. I came back to my home, and a couple of weeks I went the same park, and I saw my friend was there sitting on the steps. My I saw she was very sad. I went to the my friend, and it he seems as if he were sucking a mango,
Sucking?
and sucking a mango like a mango.
Mhm.
And I said to my friend, "What happened? Where is your love?" She said to me. He said to me, "You are right, brother. You were right that day. She was she was pretending to love only, but she loves money. She loves money more than me, and she was looted me, and she made me sorry, she she made me she made me beggar." या सर अब क्या कहें सर.
Super. You
खत्म
tried
हो गया
well.
सर.
You tried well. Little like stoppage was there. I mean, you were just stopping for a while, taking a pause and speaking. So that is kind of little
Yes,
hesitation.
sir.
You said she was looted me. It should have been she looted me. She looted me. Simple.
Yes.
Okay. Good one. Good one.
सर यहाँ पे इन्होंने फीलिंग भी डाला.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Well attempt. Okay. Fine, guys. So I'm going to turn off the recording. So, okay.